Good morning. Oh, that feels so much better. So I actually swapped the lens back to my wide angle and now it's so much lighter and I can carry it. So this morning a friend is going to come pick us up and she is going to let us borrow her car for the day. She's, oh my god, so sweet. Her and her family. And we are going to go see a few cars. We have a few bookmarked, but we're thinking of just going to the area as well and seeing what's available. We're thinking of getting something sort of cheap and simple for now, just because we plan on probably leasing or finding some sort of financing later on so we can get a bit of a better model, I guess. This is the start of us getting a car in Australia and navigating this. We've gotten a lot of information and support from my friend, which is really helpful because actually there's a lot of information online and it doesn't fully make sense, and we've never purchased a vehicle before, neither in London or in the Netherlands, so it's a bit trickier for us to navigate. Also, we didn't understand the terms, like what's roadworthy, what are we supposed to look out for, what do we need, all the steps it takes. So it was really nice to get some information and know sort of what we're looking for so that when we go out today, we kind of understand what we want. So hopefully we can get a car soon and then start traveling around this area, and even taking a day trip down to Byron or going up to Noosa. That would be so much fun. Yeah, we just messaged a guy on Gumtree and he already got back. He wrote, we can come check it out mornings today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or the weekend. Yeah. Should I write today?
Yeah, sure.
Could we come see it today? My friend has arrived. We're just gonna go meet her at the gate. Are you ready? All right, let's go. So yeah, we just stopped by with my friend and she gave us the keys to this car. We're going straight to a private seller that we found on Gumtree to check out a Mazda 6, I believe.
So
okay.
it's not exactly like Bluetooth, but it's like a receiver.
Yeah.
And a transmitter.
Okay, cool.
And then
Yeah, so I don't know what it is, but for some reason the lights here in Australia in the supermarket and at home, it keeps messing with like the automatic feature of the shutter on the GoPro. It just keeps flickering, so I keep having to manually set it, but I don't remember that it's manually set, so then I forget to turn it off when I'm out and about. And then now I just saw that all of the clips are now super bright. So let me say that again. The guy was super nice. The car was great. It ran great. It was just like how it said in the ad. It was all checked over. So we're just going to a used car yard right now to see what other cars are available. But otherwise, this one might be a good shout, you know, to have a run around for a while. Completely forgot I have a job interview at 11:30. I purposely set a reminder because I knew I would forget, just because it's not really on my mind today while we're looking for cars. But yeah. Okay, job interview done. That was really quick. Anyway, let's go check out some cars. But that's okay.
It's messed up, isn't it?
Where?
It's like tires holding it up. Oh yeah, it's holding up the tires. Pretty sure it's being in the crap.
That one's nice. Don't know where he's going. Right in the back. Yeah, no.
Probably strip apart.
I think so, yeah. Oh wow, that's nice. How much is it? It says in the window. It's already got the roof racks as well.
7.5.
That's not even bad, is it?
Oh, here's the same car. What's the 6?
What is that?
Yeah, it's
Paint's come off. So, what's the verdict? Are we sticking with the
this is the other
Mazda? Oh, the Kia, yeah. We saw that one online. That one's nice, the Jeep Cherokee. I like that one. But I like the old school one where you can take the doors off and stuff. Like the Cruisers.
I think I like the Mazda most.
Yeah, and I think it's kind of simple. Like, he wants to sell it. We want a car.
Yeah.
It's, I think, a pretty good price.
I do feel he took better care of the cars in there.
Oh, exactly. Okay, then I think we've made up our minds, right? We're gonna go get lunch and go pee, and then we're gonna drive the car back and figure out the rest of the day. So exciting! We made it to Harbour Town Outlets. We're just gonna grab a sandwich, and then I think we're already heading back, right? It's been a successful morning. We got banh mi, and we're getting snacks. Because this is the only place that sells ramen. Or just cheesier. I think cheesier is better. Like this
You
one?
just want one or?
Yeah. Got the chips. We did briefly go into Rip Curl. It's like 60% off or something like that. It's crazy. We're gonna get what's it called? We're gonna get wetsuits soon, and they had bags. I did buy a tumbler, just a tribal coffee mug from there because it was insulated and cheaper than Amazon. Okay, we just gave the car back to my friend. We sent off a text to the private seller. We are interested in buying the Mazda. Yeah, what else do I say? What did you say?
We're looking for a mechanic. Now, when will it be suited, or if we find one, or when we find one?
We're hoping that now everything's gonna go well and we can buy the car. Oh, I really like this one. This Suzuki, I think it's cute, right? Anyway, we just double checked with my friend like what we need to do after this point. So we're gonna get a mobile mechanic to do an inspection on it, make sure that everything is working, and then also give us a comprehensive on, you know, if there's anything we need to update in the next couple of months, so we have a better overview, just because it is an older car with more kilometers on it. And then we're already gonna check today like what insurance we want on it, so we can get that sorted as soon as possible, and then we can drive it home. Oh, and then we gotta transfer it, of course, over into our name and pay the stamp duty or stamp tax, whatever it's called. We'll figure that bit out, but then that's it. And then we have a car. And honestly, today it was so much more freeing to have a car. Like, I don't know what it is. It's just like, well, no, I know exactly what it is. Waiting for the bus sucks. Been on hold for like 25 minutes. But look at him. He's just here, loafing. So the make is a Mazda and the model is the 6 Luxury Sport. Perfect, thank you so much. Bye. Oh my god, what was that? Like an hour? God. I was on hold for like, how long was I on hold for? Like almost an hour. I actually said at 4:30 I was gonna just leave a message and then be done. Yeah, he's booked us in. So Thursday's a public holiday. No, Wednesday's a public holiday, and then he checked the guy's calendar, and Friday morning. If we get it this week, I'll be happy. That's sorted, and we have some time to do the car insurance and everything. I'm going for my walk. Windier out here than we thought. So we're just walking along the beach, and then we're gonna head home. That walk was pretty brutal. The wind was really strong, and it was coming like in our direction, so it started hurting my ears for a little bit, but yeah, we just went out for a little walk, and now we're making some dinner. We have rice going, and then we're going to cut up some veggies and make sort of like a stir fry, some tea because it's a little bit chilly. We got the good news that from the seller that everything is fine to go for Friday, so that's super exciting. Hopefully by the end of this week we'll have a car. funny we learned, let me put that down really quick. Something funny we learned is that in Australia, they call bell peppers capsicum. So it's capsicum in Australia, bell peppers in the UK, and then paprika in the Netherlands. Isn't that so funny? Final dish. What's the verdict?
It's good.
Yeah. I think we're just gonna probably watch something on Netflix, get some work done, and then call it a night. I'm actually pretty tired, and yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Did you want to say bye? Nope, just sulk. Okay. Bye. What is this, love?